Alright, so guys, yeah, my general. I want to say shopping at a supermarket. I say shopping under my best strength, guys. I normally leave this to Melissa. They're on spring cleaning today, you know? I go clean up and bust a one video and this is a man can clean too, don't it? Alright, now my wife feel like she's the best cleaner in the whole world. You know? I prove her wrong today and she didn't even know me. Yeah, man, when I do man, she go shock out her. Okay guys, so I'm back home. So let me just go on a backstory. Me and Melissa been having a little conversation from the other day and she has said to me, say, yo, you know, I mean, I clean the house and she always I say, oh, she always want to clean the house. I mean, sometimes I feel say, oh, it's like, when a woman clean, it like it different from when a man clean. And you can leave in the comment section. So basically, I drop her off at work and I decide to go do a spring cleaning, guys, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I go wipe out the house, organize up back everything and, you know, buy some air freshener so the place I go smell different, you know what I mean? So she didn't expect this. When she forward in, I catch her reaction. You understand? And make her see her, you know, make she leave her comment. So when I see me buy a few stuff at the supermarket, such as some cleaning agents, you understand? I don't know when I live with kids tend to make a mess. You understand? So right now the boys are sleeping and Knife Ninja will get in action. So I go sweep out the house to wash the plate, them clean out the kitchen, spotless. Use bleach and everything. Don't listen, you know, wipe down the place and a bag of things. I wipe out all the house, guys. So it's gonna be a long day, you understand? So I get the ball rolling and just do the right thing. So I go see if I can catch as much as possible. You understand? So I kind of have to talk low, cause you know the boys then wake up. I mean, if they wake up still, but just have to go, you know, probably pause for a while, look after some breakfast, or I probably have to go do that from now. So that way, when they wake up, I know say, oh, I'm not gonna have that to do. Whichever way, I'm gonna figure it out. You understand? So just don't forget to hit that subscription button, guys. Your boy Knife Ninja out there. So just stick and stay and watch what I'm going. Guys, the baby they mark up the wall of the wall. We could probably get one of them board there for them practice the right one. Okay guys, so I'm going with some pal. This is the best smelling one when I see out of the supermarket so far. I'm not going with a lot, so I do 2 wipes, peeps. So this is the first wipe where I get rid of all of the dirt off of the ground, but still I want it to smell fresh during the first wipe. The second wipe, I'm not going to use much bleach, but I use most of the bleach in the first white paste. So I go through here now. The old traditional way this now, guys. So we are going to dip and ring. Leave the water in it. We'll go through. Guys, me a bust a sweat. tired like crazy, so me no back. So I go there now, guys. I go hear some footstep in the room a while ago, so it sound like Adonis wake up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check, you know what I mean. But so far the ground is clean, guys, you know what I mean, 100%. So I get a wipe out, move the iron board, you know. I have some little disinfectant I'm gonna put on the wall, of some air freshener I'm gonna put on the wall over there. So as you can see, the housing them still up on the wall, so I'm gonna clip them up on the wall. They want to buy the plug-in one, but then they did two there, so I say, you know what, I'm making a see. So this is what I use, PAL, all-purpose cleaner, you know what I mean. I don't know, the old Ajax bleach. Melissa, if you watch me with the bleach now, guys, because I'm telling you the truth, I use bleach hard. You see me, so the ground clean, I'm making a see. You don't know about Knife Ninja out there, guys. They are on a cleaning mission today, guys. You see me, so guys, I decided on throwing some of this pal on the ground just to make the scent, because I'm not really smell it that much, so I'm going to throw it all over the ground. And just wipe the raw pulp on the ground instead of diluting it with water. So probably this will make the place smell fresher. Alright, so I'm gonna put the this on it. Some dash up on it. I'm gonna put the orange flavor one in here. These are just probably 3 bills. Them are cheap as a shame, so I normally buy them, I put them everywhere in the house. You know, the car, and you know, all over. So this is the what is, I think a lavender, this lavender. So I put one of this in the kitchen and one in the bathroom. Crisp breeze, it's nice, guys, airwick. So what I'm gonna do now, I just do some final touches, but the picking them wake up, so I wanted to, I know I have to probably focus on them. So I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, but you don't know the thing though. I know Melissa come in and get the surprise. You know, it's a lot, but big up on yourself. You're born Knife Ninja out there without fears, out there without fear. So don't forget to hit that subscription button, guys. At 15,000 subscribers, and I mean, you don't know, we're up on the road to 20, so we need 5 more thousand for reach 20,000, guys. You understand? Big up to all of the new subscribers who tune in on the channel. You understand? Hope you guys, enjoy the vlog on the lifestyle and the family. You know what I mean? So welcome. And you don't know the thing, so we're going to do the right thing, you know. I have another video I'm going to post, but we're going to leave that for later. So big up on yourself, out there without fear, Boy Knife Ninja. That is it.